ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight.
Hey guys, so just woke up literally. Not really. I was up watching a Netflix movie. I fell asleep and I woke up and I said, what's the plan for today? No clients? Okay, I'm gonna pick up my packages. So I'm gonna pick up a package today, as you guys can see down below. Let me rest my phone here. On packaging those packages that I go to collect. I get ready with me. Just stuff to, make the video feel fun and longer. I just want you guys to see what I do some days if I'm not doing here. So yeah, don't mind the one lash. I picked them out last night. It's clusters. I picked them out last night. As you can see, some of them when I'm missing, some I might just put on some, well, for the YouTube video too. Like, why not? So stay with me. I'm gonna spread the bed now and start to move around. I'm brush my teeth and wash my face. Oh dear me, talk to Uno with my dirty mouth. I know, manners. Move road. So I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth now, look for the clothes I'm gonna wear and then go take a shower. I hope other people do this too. Or should I just take one, make one thing and shower same time, like due to all the water cold, I'm gonna be idiot. Let me go for my tripod. Because I've been putting my phone to catch all along. I don't know if I emphasize enough how cold it actually is outside, because right now I come like, damn, I'm not nasty, I'm not a nasty person. I'll take a bath now, guys. You know what I say, Mona just in the bathroom. Why she never just bathe and done? But I like look for my clothes first before I take a bath. Because I don't want to feel bathe and then I feel huckle up myself and look for clothes. Like, that is crazy to me. So that's the only reason. No, but which I put I look for the clothes before I go brush my teeth and wash my face. But I just don't want to talk too on my teeth and brush because I feel like that is very insulting. Yes. I just come out of the bathroom. Alright, so I'm gonna just fix up my edges, catch up my hair to the back, do my makeup, fill in them custard lashes and come back. Alright chat, so I just done do my makeup. Nothing too extra now, just powder me use for my face and highlight, the little dust highlight and my lip combo. Remember, I'm not really hard to fix, so worrying about you.
I just wanna remind I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in.
Alright, so I'm gonna take off the necklace here and wear this one. My boyfriend purchased this necklace for me. So cute.
Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hard me.
Guys, I don't know if I'm a delusional, but the pants no sit down for my waist like how it's supposed to sit down. I don't know if I get too slim. It's a good thing, but right now it's a bad thing. It feels slack, like the waist. No. So this is what I'll be wearing. I know it looks like comments because as much as I'm not a shoes girl right now, the shoes are piss me off because this just feel for wear slippers. But the only reason me I do this I because I'm telling them I'm cold out of the cold. I'm gonna pull out the ketchup on my davin and put it in, just let it down because I feel like, you know, the brown never cut no dash. And the only ketchup thingy may have is the brown one, a cream color one, a pink one, and a green one, no black. And yeah, but I don't know if it look alright though. Anyways, guys, I'm about to head out now. I'm waiting on my Uber to come and pick me up.
My AI just changed. It just wasn't forget. Thank God you came.
The breeze will blow out and stuff feel like it's gonna blow my way. Get the packages them. I'm cold. Jesus. Honestly, I think I'm bold now. I'm not a party leader, but damn. Cauliflowers are pretty. These are cute. Oh Jesus, I'm cold. So, I'm hungry. Don't know what I'm gonna eat. Dominoes is next door. Maybe I can go over there and try and get something. I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna get. The last time I went to Dominoes, I got something. It was nice, but it is too little bit. Probably can't get two. Maybe I can get two. Trust me, my back not big, but I don't eat breakfast from morning. I don't know that too, because I would have shown when I eat breakfast. Okay, so I just come back. Well, not just come back, that sounds stupid. I don't know how it pass something. But my mama tell us I'm going to collect with them. When I reach home, I'm sure no one coming at them. But this is what I'm going to make one order the other day. Like, I'm going to do a special occasion. Which, knowing me, I normally order stuff for special occasion. But for this case, or in this case, I did not. I just saw it and liked it. And I said I'm going to order it just in case something come up, you know. So yeah, that's it. Last time I came here, I sat and eat. I don't know if I'm gonna do that now because honestly, I wanna go home. I might just have some and then go home. Just order next one. I don't know for what reason. I'm telling you something about it.
How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die.
Want a box of food, finally home. I am tired. So I reach in and I order some. I go shop and get some stuff for dinner. I'm gonna look after some curry chicken and white rice. I don't think I'm gonna share that with you. I won't be vlogging any of that. Hold on. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I get into my package. I did mention that I brought home pizza, right? Because I ordered a different one. I need to throw my big bag, I couldn't eat it. Oh wait, you can't see. Let me try to take one more. Couldn't eat it, so I'm bring it home. This one is pepperoni. The first one was jerk chicken and ham. Alright, so this is the first package that I have. This is the first one. I just want something this, you know. It weighs 2 pounds. Just want something that. But all right, in a large. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I feel like I just went big. Let's try it on now. See here? I'm gonna put a picture of what exactly it is. It look like it can't fit me. You know, look that big. size large, yeah. If it true me no say me have very thick thighs, the sweater look kind of big. Oh no, it looks okay. I'll try it on. And this is the top. The material is so nice. I purchased them on Shein, guys. See there? I'm gonna try it on. I'm not gonna show you how it look when I put it on. But this on the top that comes with it. So this is one thing. Next package. This leopard print all in one thingy. I always find them something cute. When I wear them sit down for my body. Show my up shape. It's like a palazzo big bell foot pants type of vibe. The front is like this. Also, now this got a back, I think. So the front is like this. And then the foot of it is big. These kids fit me because my tip my leg them thick and then yeah, we're not a footage now. Anyway, these are the last thing. This is a bedwear. Something to sleep into. I don't know, me is a girly girl. I love them like a pajama look something here. Somebody else purchased this. So yeah. I'm gonna end the video right here for now. If you don't see a full clip after this, then I'm just a spoiler now. But that's it for now. Bye guys. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye. Thank you for watching.